are down. While down in Texas, all of the telephone lines are down. Single sound. Mr. B.B. King.
Incredible. So I did Stevie Ray Vaughan down Texas Flood. on my other channel, and I may merge that video to this new channel. But this one here is different because this one here has BB King featuring in it. So I decided to do the Texas Flood again, but this time with BB King. I mean, it's incredible. I mean, see both of these guys on stage and just doing their thing is just simply incredible. I don't know that I do know BB King. I do know a lot about BB King, but I never like explored his music like that. Like I think there's a few songs I may know, like Lucille and Down. Well, it's one of the very most popular ones. He did one. Him and Tracy Chapman did something. I can't remember the name of them, but I do know some of his popular music. But I know BB King has like, you know, decades of good music. So if you guys have any suggestions, definitely let me know. I remember there's this spot in Vegas, Henderson, Vegas, called Lucille's. It's a barbecue spot. This is not a sponsor. They're not sponsoring the video, but the food is so incredible. And and if my memory serves me correct, the whole theme of the restaurant was like, you know, blues, BB King. They had like live music there. It was just incredible. And their fried green tomatoes, oh my God, it's to die for. But it's called Lucille's down in Green Valley and Henderson, Nevada. And it's just an incredible place to go for barbecue, that whole southern type of food, but it was incredible. And that's the only thing, like, I'm like, Lucille is like one of the most, his guitar, you know, it's like, that's probably the most popular thing that I know about BB King, besides some of his most popular music. So I definitely want to do more of his music. So if you guys have any suggestions for that, definitely put it in the comment section. And of course, Stevie Ray Vaughan, man, incredible. I love Stevie Ray Vaughan. I've got like probably like 4 more videos and the hard drive of Stevie Ray Vaughan that I did on the other channel that I'll bring over. And if you guys got any more suggestions for Stevie Ray Vaughan music, put that in the comment section. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More music to come. Peace out.